So here's how you can create an AI chatbot on any kind of website, including these are job websites, using what we call TalkTo, right? So what you want to do first is I'm just going to open a new window and a new account. So basically this is TalkTo. That's tawk.to. If you are going to show you how you can do this for WordPress strictly. Now, if you want to know how to set up a TalkTo for scripted website and all of that, mostly the ones that make use of TalkTo, I'll put a description link below. But this is how to create an AI chatbot, not just a chat system that people will chat you and you have to reply. No, the chatbot will automatically reply. It will scan through your website, get information. You can train it on different information and all. For us to achieve this, the first thing we need to do is to come to talk.to and click on get started. Now, wherever you are in the world, America, US, Canada, Nigeria, South Africa, you could do this. So the first thing is you want to sign up with your details. There's no option to sign up with Google, so you want to put your information here. Then you could decide to go with a password generator to get a more secure password, right? And verify I'm human. Then click on sign up for free. Now, this is a free account. If you want to get TalkTo Premium, you could go out to do that. But I'm going to use the free account to do this, so you know that you could set this up using a free account. You don't need to pay anything. TalkTo is free forever, but the AI system has a bit of limits. I'll explain that as we go on. So if you want notification, do well to allow. What we want to do is just save the password. What we want to do is click on live chat here. Now you're going to put your website here, right? And what we need to do is to just copy our website's URL, that domain or subdomain. You want to add that here. Then click on next. I think I did this twice, so I will just do this. Click on next. Now, what's the name of your organization? We're going to call it AI Job. Then next. All right, so here you can add your logo, but I will not be doing that. So here you add your welcome message. What I want to do is, okay, do you need a job? Okay, so I'm just going to do that. But please do have to subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel. Let's get to 1,000. Right now, you could give it some I have a question, tell me more of this stuff. You could do how to delete this. So these are not our strong focus. So what we want to do is just click on next. Now I tell you to copy this, just click on next. And here we're going to skip this. Right, invite any other person, we're going to skip this. Now this will take us to, or this should take us to our dashboard, right? No, we don't want it also, maybe next time. All right, so congratulations and welcome to your TalkTo dashboard. Now, to create the AI features, what you want to do is under settings, come to settings here. But I don't like the way this is doing, so I'm just going to refresh this. All right, so under settings here, remember on settings, this is your property information. So what you want to do is you want to come under settings here. I don't know why I keep saying settings. Okay. Yeah, you want to come remind me on the channel, right? Now you have all of this under your channel, but I want you to scroll down where you have add-ons. Click on the add-on here. Then you're going to see AI assistant. Click on get started. Now it says start training your AI agent. So what you want to do is click on start training AI agent. Now this is the website, so you can train it with your website information. Okay, so I'm just going to train it with this. This is the website we're using. We click on next. Now it's going to crawl into the website and get all of the information, the available jobs, the blog posts, every information. So you want to make sure that your website is clear of every unnecessary pages that you don't want or anything that you don't want to be on the website. So it's going to generate some that is frequently asked question, FAQ questions. So you could go through the questions, see if it's what you like. You could do how to ask questions like questions you think people will ask on your job website. You have to ask that and add that as well. Right now, any question you don't want, you can delete as well. So the next thing is click on next. So let's test your bot. Now you could come here to test it and just say hello. It says hello, how can I assist you? So I will just ask Do you have a job on your website? It says, yes, we have blog sections with articles and insights on the job search, remote works, and career development. Now, our site is not fully set up. I did not go into setting up pages, writing the content and everything. So if you write all your content for your website, you get appropriate information that you can use. Now, as long as you're using a WordPress site, this you could do. But if you're also using a simple website like a script and you put all it into, go and crawl it, just make sure your website has the appropriate information. So the next thing you want to do is click on next here. Now you can give it information. It says, as if we connect job seekers and everything. You could change this and give it your own instructions and tell it a bit about your business and all. So click on next here. This is all done. Click on done. Now, once you are done with that, what you want to do is we are going to add this AI agent to our website. Okay, so for us to do that, what we need to do is to make sure that we are logged in on our website on the same account or the same place where we have the TalkTo. Or just make sure to know your WordPress username and password. Now, let me show you how you want to do that. You want to go to your website, right? And when you go to your website, type /wp_admin and click on enter. Now, since I'm already logged in currently, it will bring you to a place where you have to put your password, your username and password. Now, to get your username and password quickly, but since you are going to be opening, what I'm showing this is just in case you want to open WordPress directly, so you could go through cPanel and all of that. So I'm doing mine on a different Gmail account. So on different Chrome accounts, you can see that this is different and this is different. The reason is that I already have a TalkToAI and I needed to open it a new one. So let's just say you want to get your password for your account. So what you want to do is go to user, make sure that you go to the main user, then click on edit. It will bring you here to the where you can edit the information of this user. Scroll down and you'll find set new password. Here you'll be able to set your new password and this is your username. Okay, so you're logged in, right? The next thing I want you to do is to come to plugin. We're going to click on add new plugin and we're going to add the last plugin for this class, right? The plugin is called TalkTo, right? The plugin is called TalkTo. We're going to add it, click on install, then click on activate. Once that is done, I want you to just scroll down under the TalkTo, click on settings here, then click on login. Then click on continue. So it says please activate your account. So what does it mean to activate my account? So let's go to Gmail. I think since this is a new account, we probably may have not activated it on Gmail. So it says talk to activation here. We've not done that. So confirm email address. All right. So once you've confirmed, just click on to sign in, right? Now, unfortunately, this will log out because you can't sign in on two places. So now we need to click on login again, then click on continue, then click allow. Now on the properties, select job AI, then click on save changes. Click on use selected widget first of all, then save changes. Now only click on visibility option. So just make sure it's set the way it is. Privacy, make sure it's set the way it is. Then what you want to do is click here, right click to this part. Now let's say you don't want this your AI TalkTo to be available to everybody. What you want to do is under visibility option, just uncheck this, right? Then you choose the page where you want it to be. Then you could as well exclude certain pages, right? So I want to just make it show to everybody, so every page. So now I'm trying to go to the front end of our site so we could see if the TalkTo has been added and we could try a quick test. All right, so it has been added. It says, do you need a job? So we click to it and let's say I have a question. Then you could see that the AI is responding. Say, sure, what would you like to know? So you could see this is how you can create an AI agent That's AI support agent on any WordPress site. Basically, for this, we're creating it on our WordPress website. Now, if you have not seen this video, go ahead to check it out. It's on YouTube currently, but if you're on the video, congratulations. So basically, this is how we add the AI system. Now, the good thing is this AI has gone through all the website to get all the information. You could go back to your TalkToAI account, then go to your settings, and you could feel the AI set more information and instructions. So go to add-ons here, then AI assistant, then this is it. You can click on it here. Now you could see the data sources where it's getting information from. Currently it's getting information from all of these pages on our website, right? You could delete anyone you don't want, you could edit anyone you want to. And because we're using a free version, for anytime we add new things to the website, we have to come here and refresh the whole thing again. But if you want it to automatically keep scanning your website, you have to upgrade to the paid version, right? But for now, this is as easy as we can go. So under the text, you could add text information, you could add documents. If you have like folder or document that talks about your website and your offer, you could do well to add that here. Your knowledge base, you could do well to create a knowledge base and fill it with all the information concerning your website. Then your website, which is what we added. If you want to, let's say you update your website, added more information, you have to delete it, put your website again and rescan, right? If you put this, you're ready to upgrade. All right, so that's just it. So first of all, you could still also come to settings here and give it a name. This is called Apollo. You can give it a name, an AI assistant, and whatever you want to give it, you can give it this description, right? And you can give it instruction on what to answer, what not to answer, how to reply, how to this thing. You could even tell it to reply the way ChatGPT replies, where you tell it that if it replies, you also add with an open-ended questions like, oh, will you need more information, and all of that. So that's based on you. You could just go through the settings yourself. So this is how you can create an AI agent, an AI job. So this is how you can create an AI assistant agent on your website, and it works and go through your website and help you do the sales. Lastly, you can give it an instruction telling it, oh, in case this person is interested to buy, tell this person to click on this link to chat with us on WhatsApp, or if they ask to talk to a real life agent, give them this link to click on or call us directly on this number, and it will do that. So if this is helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Now don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much.